The Three-Drive Harmonic Pattern Indicator is available for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can access this indicator on the TradingView website. Traders can refer to this page to understand how the indicator works and how to use it. For accessing this indicator on the TradingView website, we search for the indicator's name in the Indicators section and select it to apply it to the chart. To access this indicator, search and select the indicator to apply it to the chart. To access it quickly, add it to favorites using the Add to Favorites option. Select the indicator, Add to Favorites, and draws the three-drive pattern. Add to Favorites to access indicator. It finds and draws three-drive pattern, identifying two patterns, similar to three-push, but lacks precise targets and confirmation. Once the indicator is placed on the chart, it starts searching for and drawing the three-drive harmonic pattern. The three-drive pattern is similar to the three-push pattern, but lacks precise targets and Fibonacci confirmation. The three-drive harmonic pattern has similarities to the three-push, but the three-push lacks precise targets and Fibonacci confirmation. The three-push focuses on finding support and resistance instead of price points, and it often shows weakening momentum in the prevailing trend. Terry cloth pattern instead of stars dots. Its focus is on identifying support and resistance areas and often indicates a weakening momentum in the prevailing trend. The three-drive harmonic pattern is better at finding reversal areas because of its symmetry and reliance on Fibonacci ratios, as seen. After confirming prices trend up, then down. Settings offer options. Adjust pivot zigzag period. Default is 3. Increase or decrease it to identify longer or shorter term patterns. Price declines towards Saudi Arabia and Rwanda. In the settings section, under the input section, there are options available for us. In the first part, you can adjust the pivot zigzag period, which is set to 3 by default. You can increase or decrease this value, and by increasing it, the indicator identifies longer-term harmonic patterns, while decreasing it allows for the identification of shorter-term harmonic patterns. Enable strict format option to only display patterns with precise format, preventing noisy patterns. If disabled, shows noisy patterns. Enable to display patterns after last pivot. If off, drawn after pattern forms. Enable first option to display precise patterns with accurate Fibonacci ratios. If off, shows noisy, imprecise patterns. Patterns are displayed after their last pivot, but when this option is turned off, they are only drawn on the chart after the pattern is formed. For instance, if the first option is on, if there is a price level here, and after the pattern is formed, if active, only the patterns that have a precise format and accurate Fibonacci ratios applied to them will be displayed. If this option is off, even patterns that have more noise and are not precise will be shown. In the next section, by enabling this option, patterns will only be identified and drawn if a pivot is formed for us. For example, if there is a level here and a pattern is drawn for us, if a pivot point is formed, the pattern will be identified. If the first option is enabled, only patterns with precise Fibonacci ratios will be displayed. If this option is turned off, even noisy patterns will be shown. In the next section, only pivot-formed patterns will be drawn. If set to off, patterns form without pivots. They will still be drawn. In the next section, by activating this option, patterns will only be identified and drawn if a pivot point is formed for us. For example, if there is a level here for us and the pattern is drawn for us, the pattern will be identified if a pivot point is formed for us. It will be drawn on the chart, and if this option is set to off, the pattern will still be drawn, even if a pivot point hasn't formed. In the next section, you can enable or disable the option to show or hide bullish patterns. You can enable or disable the option to show or hide bullish patterns. In the next section, you can enable or disable the option to show or hide bearish patterns. You can choose the color for bullish patterns, change the color for bearish patterns, select the line thickness for drawing, and adjust the label size. In the next section, you can choose the theme mode, which can be switched between light and dark. In the next section, you can enable or disable the alert status. If this option is enabled, you can choose a name for your alert. You can set the alert condition to 3 options: all, once per bar, and per bar close. By selecting the first option, you will receive alerts in all cases. If you choose the second option, you will receive alerts while the candle is still open. And with the third option, you will only receive alerts when the candle closes. You can enable or disable the hashtag status, and if this option is enabled, you can choose a name for hashtag. You can set the alert status to 3 options: all, once per bar, and per bar close. By selecting the first option, you will receive alerts. If you choose the second option, you will receive alerts when candle open, and with the third option, you will only receive alerts at candle close. In the last section, you can change the UTC time to your desired time zone. Confirm. Additionally, indicator issues buy-sell signal if confirmed. Signal issued post-identified price point, allowing confident trades. And in the last section, you can change the UTC time to your desired time zone in this section, and then click the confirm option. Also, if this indicator is identified, in addition to confirmation, it also issues a buy signal or a sell signal for traders, which is issued to traders after our breakout point that is identified for us in this range, so that traders can trade with more confidence based on the incoming buy signal or sell signal. Well, friends, we've reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We would love for you to share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.